Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to export your private key from the Atomic wallet and import it to the Temple wallet. To export your private key from Atomic wallet, you need to open the app and log into your account. Click on the Settings tab and then on the Private Keys button from the application main screen. To access the private keys, you need to insert your password. Find Tezos in the list and copy your private key to import it into the Temple wallet. If you don't have a Temple wallet account yet, please download the Temple wallet extension from the Chrome Store or Firefox. After installing the Temple extension, you will get to the start page where you can import wallet or create a new one. Please click the Import Existing Wallet. Make sure your internet connection is secure and there are no phishing apps in your device. Insert your seed phrase and create a password. You will need it in order to enter the wallet. Please keep it in a safe place, but better remember it. Then click Create. After that, your account will be successfully imported. If you already have a Temple wallet account, click the robot icon, then Import Account. Next, you need to insert your private key and click Import Account. After that, your account will be successfully imported. Now you can switch between your accounts by clicking the robot logo. Thank you for choosing the Temple wallet. On our channel, you can find additional information on how to choose a Baker in Tezos, as well as how to import your Tezos account from other wallets. Also, you can find more information in our communities, as well as in articles on our blog.